Okay, one more upload following the CRKT Crawford edge holding test. So I'd like to try how quickly can I bring the edge to usable sharpness again. So I don't know, let's try it. Let's give it a few passes. Okay, this is the coarse rod. So a couple of passes. And now let's move on to the fine one. I have absolutely no idea how the knife will perform after such a short sharpening. So let's find out. You see that? Oh my god. I need to check how many seconds did I spend sharpening it on those rods, because you can see it's again razor sharp. Oh, that's very nice. It could definitely take few more passes, but this is very nice. So this agrees to my opinion about various steels. A high-end steel is not always that important for me, because many people rate the steels just on the one value, and that is how long can the edge hold very sharp. Okay, for some people maybe rust resistance is more important. For some people sharpenability is more important. For me the extreme sharpness is very important, and you know, even VG10 or S30V will lose the extreme sharpness very quickly on abrasive materials. But with those high-end steels it will take you much longer, few more passes on the rods. But with this steel, AUS6, and what I prefer a little bit more, the AUS8, I think you will have a great time. The AUS8 and following also the AUS6, they're my favorite steels. Those are not that crappy, not that bad steels. I mean, how many of you guys need your knife to last sharp for months? You take your knives into jungle, or I don't know, because if you live in a town, I think you have your sharpening stones in your pocket or at home, at work, or anyways. So once in a time, to give it a couple of seconds, maybe 1 minute, half a minute for sharpening, that's no no deal breaker for me. So big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys.